was a comedian so Janet Nabla, any TikTokers, Abe Fire, Mahama Ayariga, our majority that in Parliament. For NCM you Abeka, and for Mahama third term agenda no. Abeka say me mamasa. Omo, Abe reply. Laughing Afenyo Markin. Also NDC Ghana Parliament concerning ECOWAS MP. Bema nchire mu no akire wadwen amame. Ewo comment section. I Penyah block media. Message say any demo. Obe like video no other my subscribe button. Samba click the notification icon the latest updates. Na be chire wadwen de amame. Ewo comment section so baso. No share for anya bi ahwe. Eya na menim NDC for no ho. Omo a take decision a. Omo say Ghana for no. Ghana for why? On say Mahama third term agenda no abeye topic for discussion. Ewom SSS na aka say on go for any other third term but me trust Mahama on this there be me trust no because say onu an ebe kan April 2025 mu say enche bia the IGP obekọ ahomegiem in terms of age obekọ ahomegiem na say IGP bekọ ahomegiem in terms of age dia any 2025 free no the contract ewu as IGP on renew bio obemana kufia ko home no appoint any pafofro December yi na nkana IGP obenya 60 years no akọ ahomegie November mu Mahama ebe extending the contract now was on 2 years on san serve this country as IGP enipa obekan April mu it's omani nkobiem no was on 2 years Mahama is somebody you can't trust or your double standard you can't trust him when it comes to giving a speech and deliver or your double standard. Won't mean trusting fully, Debbie. Won't mean trusting wholly. You can't wholly trust Mahama, Debbie. You can't. And there you can't. Now, you know, I bet on a topic for discussion on social media. The NDC people, they are trying something, say, Mahama must go for third term. Ghanaians are calling for third term for Mahama. Which Ghanaians? Just say NDC. Ghana for bay. Aside the camp of NDC, any pabang and I calling for third term for Mahama. Any pabaya. Emma Adi when I was at the floor of Parliament. Mahama Ayariga, our majority leader in Parliament. Ejna as when you announce it, I na Mahama Juma Pentino. Ghana force on San Twasubi.
That due to the very, very excellent performance so far of John Dramani Mahama, Ghanaians are asking him to seek a third term. I know that. I know that because I read on social media, I listen to conversations, and Ghanaians believe that as a result of the good deeds of His Excellency President John Dramani Mahama, they don't want him to leave the presidency.
They believe a third term is possible.
And they believe that a third term is possible. And they are demanding for a third term. But John Dramani Mahama has not given any indication that he wants to go for a third term. But I have always said that Ghanaians will be the ultimate deciders of the future of this country. Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, Mr. Speaker, why do I say that? Please pay attention. Why do I say that? Next doors in the Côte d'Ivoire, the opposition leaders came to me when I was in the ECOWAS Parliament and complained that the president there wanted to go for a third term. And they were calling on us in West Africa to support them, to oppose and prevent the president from going for a third term. So I asked them, the president who is seeking for a third term, is he going to put a ballot box in front of the citizens and ask them to vote for him to go for the third term, or is going to wake up early morning and announce that he is continuing for a third term? And they said there will be an election to determine whether or not he should go for the third term. And I said, go and fight him at that election. go and fight him at that election. Go and fight him at that election. Mr. Speaker, that is why I say that ultimately, it will be the Constitution, the institutions, and the citizens of Ghana who will determine the future of our country. Mr. Speaker, your guidance and leadership have ensured that our legislative process, though often cumbersome, were conducted within the bounds of parliamentary decorum and democratic responsibility. Why are you afraid of a third term? Why are you afraid? Why are you afraid?
Ghana for Beya. Sa Ghana for I'm pessimist. Ghana for Wanya. Ghana for Beya. Just say NDC party members want third term for Mahama because say Omu di omania for party no say sebe aside Mahama no. Obi any who agree that the three will be the party name. Just frame it this way. Because I'm calling for third term for Mahama there. Let's say sebe more party they say. Mo di mania for party no nyina mu obi a sebe adwene da the three. As Mahama ni ho a obetuma take over. The purpose of much no. You should just make it simple for us to understand. And say the NDC are calling for third term for Mahama because there is no intellectual person in NDC again aside Mahama. Mon can any say. Emma just say, oh, mu canum the share Ghana for say Ghana for, but you know, a NDC for nana, Oma ehu omuja, Omenu no Oma SS. And now come me that Janet Nabla. Any TikTokers are clash with Mahama Ayariga for saying this.
Mahama Ayariga, Ghana for a sropa, Jawusha Nimuna wote Ghana ha o yeno. Say Anna would do N0NSENSE politics. Say won't mean cow chrome waka will be mine so. It's why some man train na one nana will be man so. Jawusha Nimuno. Na ya won't toy. His Excellency President Don Dramani Mahama. Obeko third term and now one about money nyansa say uncle third term. Ghana for some third term and Ghana for the publics are calling for third term for President Don Dramani Mahama. Now what kind of parliament? Adia wo no akose mukuru mo ntokwa na na modemu esi wo mukuru mo sa asem na bia na opese opema Ghana fo ni nyina yi ompese ye ho beto e wo Ghana mukuru ntokwa kura keke ba ye kitikiti bi e ba ye no won se wuntumi nko ukuru mu bio Ghana ye mpandwhwa ni mu Mahama Ayariga ye mpandwhwa ni mu bia e wo Ghana sei Ghana constitution no the number of terms odama obi bia or running for presidency bia they will number mama mo 8 years na wona abetre Mahama nimsem mo amudi na chinyina mo ye fanfu Mahama no pasumje or your president go pasumje nta na wo position bi ni wo kwasa sem bia wo painting na wo ba cancer ansem we o ka se we na obeya Mahama hu se open asem ana Mahama no nimsem mo pen asem dada Mahama no nimsem mo pen asem dada onu nyankopon na di ne ho afofi nyankopon na de ne nam na nka osenka ode ne ho tomo so nka mo na mbe ina bo munja ma papa no ho nto no onye ne bibi Mahama no kura ba bonchan be ka se onye na adwen so opese okotetem na mo sora na mo de odi me se mawani nko obakun make sure say asumje ba boko eno na ese o mani hiawo na tetem about Don Dramani Mahama na no fa ho ben umbe pento kwa tintirede e da magana fo wotin tokwa ba ko nkura wonsovu nwieye afere tetem bam na se other parties ka so monti ase na se normal sa ase esi Ghana wo sikanti na wafa play na wadwena jai ada wadwen say ye moana hwe kasa ye na oye mini oye honorable for a reason you call you honorable we have given you that kind of maximum respect ti bu ho na ja kasa tobe na bompa yo konko to je na bompa ese Awurade ma asumdwe afa na asumdwe ebi nko ukrom boko eno na ese o mani hia okese na Mahama tetem asem na ese o dwen ho na ne wo ya no e too much it's about time ese ye mam hu no kure no na Mahama tetem and the public are calling for him for tetem Mahama na waba waka cho tetem akọ I didn't tell mo say mo mam ho kwan ya si ana ebi mu ti social media na mo kase te papai asana Mahama Ayariga mo wani nko ukrom tokwa so na jam hwehwani mu no Ghana for a catcher tokwa sipa ye na ebewu ye na ye ho be kire na wo ofa plane watu ono wabusuam ko. God bless Ghana.
So I want to correct a narrative that has been going on within NDC members, their extensions, and some demonic chiefs who go around saying that Ghanaians want to give Mahama a third time. It's not true. No Ghanaian wants to give Mahama a third time. If Ghanaians actually wanted to give Mahama a third time, when he contested the second time, they would have voted for him. But you saw that the votes President Mahama got, that was in 2020. They are the same votes he got in 2024. Meanwhile, the voters register, 2 million people were added to the voters register. They refused to vote for him. Then we had 2.1 million voters who refused to vote for the MPP. They also refused to vote for Mahama. So meaning they said no, even though we don't want our candidate, you are not an option. You see, so no Ghanaian wants you to stand for a third time. The only NDC members who want you to stand for the third time are greedy and selfish people. They want you, they want opportunities. They know that your second time, you are going to be very strict and you are also going to be fighting for yourself. So it will be very difficult for them to get contracts, to get the money they want. So they think they can deceive you so that you can be able to give them something. We have some independent candidates who are also parliamentary candidates who are also encouraging you, very greedy and selfish people for that matter. These people don't deserve to be in politics, I'm telling you. So these people are lying to you that you should stand for a third time. Nobody wants you to stand for a third time. Even your NDC members don't want you to stand for a third time. The only people that want you to stand for a third time, they don't even want you. They are lying to you. Are the greedy and selfish people. They want to siphon money from you. They know that if you want to go for the third time, then you will now release you open your purse and start dishing out money and contracts so that they can get they will tell you that they will want to help you. You see, so they are greedy and selfish people. Be very careful of them. Those people, they don't care about you. They think they can deceive you so that they can get contracts and other things and then destroy your good name. Because they will now pin it to naughtiness that we are greedy and selfish. We like power so much. Look at what Mahama has done. Blah, blah, blah. The constitution was a great constitution until Mahama came to destroy it. Blah, blah, blah. Preventing me one day from becoming a president. Because they will say that since President Mahama did it, maybe Janet will go for the fourth time. Let's not give Janet opportunity. Mahama was greedy. Janet can be greedy because she's also a northerner. So don't do that. Don't try it. Don't try it. Rollis did not do it. Kufuor did not do it. Atta Mills did not do it. Nanado did not do it. You are not the only person who love for power. And those greedy and selfish people who are saying those things, you know, they don't mean well. They don't even care about you. They are trying to deceive you to get contracts. So be very, very, very careful. I am a Ghanaian. I don't want you to run for a third time. Nobody wants you to run for a third time. Look at your votes. And you will know that these people who are doing, they are just lying. The votes did not show. The 2024 votes did not show. How can you go and get the same votes that you got in 2020? 2020, you got 6 million. 2024, you are getting 6 million again. Meanwhile, 2 million new voters were added to the edition. They registered, they refused to vote for you. 2.1 million MPP members who refused to vote for their candidate also refused to vote for you. You see why I'm saying that these people are lying. Ghanaians don't even want, even NDC members, they don't want you to contest for the third time. Please, President Mahama, respect yourself. Don't mind these greedy and selfish individuals who, to me, they are thieves. So they want to steal contracts. They want money and they don't know what to do. So they decided that let's deceive him. So that if he wants to go for the third time, he will open his purse and then he will also open the contract list and then give us contracts and other things. If not that, these 4 years of Mahama, we are just going to suffer. That is what those are the plans that they came together to do, and they are telling you that Mahama come and contest for the third time. They don't give a hoot whether you contest for the third time or not. Those people are trying to destroy your reputation. These people are greedy and selfish, wicked people. Some of them are chiefs who should never have. They are what you call subjects should have chased them out of the various what you call chieftaincy stools. They should chase them out because these people are greedy and selfish. So, President Mahama, you are not running for the third time. No one wants you to run for the third time. You promised Ghanaians ex gratia that you abolish it. You've not abolished it. Oh, so you want to collect ex gratia, but you want to abolish it for others. That is called greediness. It's called selfishness. If you want to abolish ex gratia, make sure you don't receive it. But not to abolish it, and then you will be receiving others. It will affect others. When you do that, you are greedy, you are selfish, and Ghanaians will have a problem with you. That is number one. Number two, you said you were going to create a women's bank. We know you cannot do it. You spoke about 24-hour economy. Codes, what and what, all these promises plus these 3 shift jobs you promised people that they voted for you, you are not able to do it. So if you come for the third time, you are going to face difficulties because Ghanaians, you have no campaign message, President Mahama. They are deceiving you. You cannot campaign. No, in fact, you will lose miserably. I'm not joking with you. If you try it, you will lose miserably. The Ghanaians, you know, because NDC members are those who voted for you. I'm telling you, the Ghanaians refuse. They don't trust you. Because you were there, no, and you couldn't do anything, no, they don't trust you. So please, have your respect and go and relax. I'm telling you, they are looking for somebody to disgrace. Don't be the one. Don't be the one, okay? Don't come for the third time. No one wants you.
She, you're sorry na ye ka Ghana mpanyifo asema. Muslim yenka. Honorable Mahama Ayariga, majority leader, ewa Ghana Parliament House. Ayare who say mo Ghana for. Mama money nda ho. She say your man you wom ka kwan ye hospital den. Enkura ampuku school mu nya aduane ndi. MP anase minister ujina Parliament House and Mahama beko 10 many of Ghanaians den person Mahama ko 10 na den. Ghana ni be na person Mahama ko 10. The year shisha ni se mo be den mo be yi akwan ebiebie nyuma sisi factories. No na nka osore nka obegina Parliament House awokan ya nka ya den afo also. Na obi person obi ko 10 no personal interest. Momo ye NDC fo nti na momo person Mahama san den. Eko third one. Say the be ya mofu mo benya bibi adi. Na momo enye se obeyi akwan sisi hospitals. Aye den nka Mahama ba yenki hu ye yesi Mahama si factory. Funny person adwuma we see hospital say why you say and so one dey moto amoye de bia of an court to say one kwan na mugina so na maka masa say the yi MPP no say ye be yi mo mu hwe yo na mu hu de mo ye mo ho Ghana for ye ni abri o.
Now you know Parliament breaki Friday no omu come last sitting what I say because omu breaki akodi Christmas holiday no tinko akohia mu next year January hona say Parliament ebesa opin bi. Now you know say there was a time when even a contempt was filed against Afenyo Markin for attending ECOWAS Parliament ECOWAS meeting because now NDC for no especially Mahama Ayariga say Afenyo Markin has exhibited a certain attitude that who he said was a man called ECOWAS Parliament hold mu bi ye yini free hono. Other say Emma after that, you know, there was a meeting Afenyo Markin attended. Because of that, even Speaker of Parliament wanted to file, you know, a contempt against Afenyo Markin for breaching the rules of Ghana Parliament. Because Mahama Ayariga aka say initially Afenyo Markin ko hold him and Afenyo Markin so ekoy. But Friday na ye breaki Parliament for Christmas holidays no. Afenyo Markin e dey same to Mahama Ayariga ni. O ti say, "Krache, ye ko ye besa aba enchi bi ye besa aba." Na me Afenyo Markin, I forever control to be an MP in this house. For sure, a minority leader in this house, and also an ECOWAS MP. You can remove Chief Justice, but you can't remove me, Afenyo Markin, as an ECOWAS MP.
May we return in the new year
with a renewed energy, clearer purpose, and deeper commitment to serving the people who sent us here, and hoping that the Honorable First Deputy Speaker will resist the temptation of hauling the minority leader before a so-called privileges committee. The minority leader will insist on his rights on serving his full term as a third deputy speaker at ECOWAS Parliament. Therefore, it is our prayer that the first deputy speaker and his committee will resist all temptations at being pushed to do that which is never done in any democracy. The minority leader has not disrespected any order of this house. Indeed, the ECOWAS Parliament rejected outrightly the resolution that sought to remove the minority leader from his seat as an ECOWAS MP. The minorities leader's seat at ECOWAS Parliament is not one of those that can be removed. You can remove the Chief Justice. You can remove others who are political appointees, but not his bona fide right as a member of ECOWAS Parliament and a third deputy speaker. He shall remain until April 2028, when his tenure shall have come to an end. Mr. Speaker, thank you so much indeed.
Comment section. Penyah Media.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas!